Bismillah. Uh, Hello. How are you? Today I'm gonna to show you and to show with you how to make ISO irradiant map, or for another term, for me, I want to create R factor map, which we can use it in USL or RUSL model to quantify the erosion quantities or the erosion rate ratio. So first of all, you need to have Excel file which contain the meteorological stations. For me, I have 9 meteorological stations in my watershed. This is the names of those stations. I have also the coordinate system of this meteorological stations, and finally the erosivity. This is the value which we will use to calculate our map. So first of all, you need to go to File, Add Data, and Add XY data, and I need to go to that file, Excel file, and open it here and edit the coordinate system from here. For me, I will use WGS 1984, like this. Apply, OK, and OK. So this is the locations of my meteorological stations. So I need to just right click on this file and go to data, export data, and export it as shape file. For me, I will stations, for example, just an example to clarify. OK, yes, and I can remove the ancient file, and I can use just this file. So I need now to use the interpolation method. So I need to use a kriging method. So what I need to go is just to activate this extension, geostatistical analyst, from here. So this is my extension which I will use, and I go to geostatistical wizard, and from here, from kriging, interpolation method of kriging, it's important. You need to use this and to go to my data and just to check that are the right values. And then click next. I will use ordinary. Next, I will just to click to optimize entire model. So you need to click here to optimize your model. Click OK, and the next, and finish, and click here OK. So this is the result of interpolation using kriging method. So I need just to quantify the erosivity in or the air factor in my watershed. So I need to open my watershed shape. This is the shape of my watershed. As you see here, this is my watershed. This is the shape of watershed. So I don't need this extension or this regions here. I need just the air factor in my watershed. So what you need? You need just to click on search and mask, like this. And no, first of all, I'm sorry. First of all, you need just to click on data and export to raster. It's important. So you need just to click OK. You will have a message that will tell you that all things are have been good. So it's now calculating. So thank you. So this is the resulted raster. So you need to deactivate this, and this I can make it. So what you need also, you need just to click on search, or going to window and modifier table, search mask, and extract by mask from here, and use my exported layer from here, and import raster of mask data. I will use watershed, and here click OK. So this is a message which tells me that the operation is going well. So I need just to deactivate, just to check. So stations. So this is the extracted or the clip data from here. So I need just to change the color. So you need to go to symbology and choose the appropriate color. It's depending on your choice. So this is air factor map for me. If you want to indicate the labels here, so you need just to right click here and go to labels, label feature, and let names apply and OK. So this is my air factor. If you want also to create a map for this, you need just to click here, priority features, or go to grids, new grid, measures grid, and just click here. Just as an example, you can change in your situation and in your case. You need just to click here in this. So as you see here, you need right click here and fall accent like this. If you want to change the layouts, you can change it from here, depending on your choice. Depending on your choice, you need just to insert here, insert legend, and for example, extract or G layer, depending you. Okay, yes. So this is the legend here, as you see. You can check it. You can also insert north narrow, depending on your choice. You can choose your appropriate north narrow. Also, you can choose the scale bar. Me, I will choose this. Just example. Also, just is your choice. So that was my tutorial to create ISO Ardent map. You can change the features depending on your choices. So I hope that it was clear. Thank you for your attention, and bye bye. Salam alaikum.